Hey, imagine earning money simply by sharing your opinion, testing new apps, discovering innovative products, or even playing the latest games. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video about making real money online. And let me know in the comments, what country are you watching from? I want to create even more videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's get to it. If you're looking for a super easy way to make cash online, PollPay is where you want to start. No experience needed, just your phone or computer and a few spare minutes. So how does it work? With PollPay, you get paid for doing simple online activities. The big one? Paid surveys. Most of these surveys take between 3 and 25 minutes to finish. Just answer honestly, and boom, you're earning. But that's not all. You can also get rewarded just for trying out new apps, exploring cool products and services, and even playing mobile games. Yeah, you heard me. The more you play, the more you earn. Now what about getting paid? PollPay lets you redeem your earnings for PayPal cash or gift cards to your favorite stores. No waiting months to cash out. Once you've earned enough coins, the money is yours. If you want to see real results, just stay consistent. Check the app daily, take those surveys, play some games, and watch your balance grow. So, what do you think? Would you try PollPay? Drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments. I always love hearing your stories and tips. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more legit ways to make money online. See you in the next video.